DSONIC presents the Robotic Door Trim Ultrasonic Spot Welding Machine, a smart and fully automated solution designed to meet the evolving demands of modern automotive manufacturing. Engineered for precision and consistency, this advanced system is specifically developed for welding automotive door trim components with high accuracy and superior joint quality. By using advanced ultrasonic spot welding technology, the machine creates strong and reliable bonds without the use of adhesives, screws, or excessive heat, ensuring a clean finish and preserving the original surface appearance of the components. Integrated with high-performance robotic automation, the DSONIC system delivers repeatable welding results across every production cycle. The robotic arm ensures precise positioning and uniform weld placement, significantly reducing human dependency while improving process reliability. This automation not only enhances weld quality, but also increases production speed, making it ideal for high-volume automotive applications. The Robotic Door Trim Ultrasonic Spot Welding machine offers faster cycle times, consistent weld strength, and minimal rework, helping manufacturers reduce scrap and optimize overall operational efficiency. Its robust construction, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance make it a valuable asset on the shop floor. With a focus on productivity, quality, and long-term durability, DSONIC continues to deliver intelligent ultrasonic welding solutions.